What are some of the unrealistic expectations you have seen in pharma leaders and what they have about AI?
In the last 2 years, I have met with quite a few of my customers, my potential customers. I've gone to conferences. Pharma is not even there. Pharma manufacturing is almost non existent in this game. There is no strong leadership. There is no strong vision. So that, at least from my perspective, what little knowledge I have, and because I'm not just one company, right? It's just, I'm talking to many of my customers, many of my prospective customers, as well as, like I said, I do go to conferences, special intelligence conferences, AWC, which is Aviva's World Conference I just spoke. I met quite a few pharma people from the pharma industry, right? And the vendors supplying to the pharma industry as well. So I don't see any strong leadership in making it happen for pharma manufacturing. Definitely. Clinical trial side, drug discovery side is a totally different story. On manufacturing side, it's a totally different story. So I don't see that, first of all. I would like to see that from a leadership point of view. And like you said, you need to have realistic expectations. You need to really understand what a technology can do. Just because a POC works, that doesn't mean anything. Really doesn't mean anything. Because key is, where is the data? Is the data clean? What am I trying to automate? What technology am I using? How am I going to ensure that it's responsible AI, right? And how many projects have we can't go from POC to production 10 projects at the same time. You just cannot do that. And what kind of scale am I going to talk about? How will I want to make sure that when I roll out more and more processes, let's say over the next 2, 3, 5 years, which framework, which infrastructure is going to be used? How am I going to validate that? All right. How am I going to qualify it? What is my strategy? So there are many, many questions to be answered. And it has to be a systematic approach taken. Obviously, we need POCs, but we know that from POC to production, it takes some time. And we cannot declare victory with the POC. We need to run it for some time, make sure all the kinks are out, and then we can celebrate, right? So I don't see any of this happening, at least from what little I've seen in manufacturing. I don't see anything, but hopefully we'll see more of it.